is Yvonne, and I'm a Senior Interior Designer from WT Plus Interiors. Today, I'm going to bring all of you through a house that is designed by myself in the heartlands of Buangkok. It's a 3-room HDB, and let's see how I have transformed this space. When designing this home, I wanted to create a space that reflects serenity, functionality, and warmth. In the living room, we embraced the soft neutral color palette and warm ambient lighting. This combination fosters a simple yet cozy atmosphere for relaxation. One of the first requests from my homeowner was that she wanted a foyer that gives privacy to the living room but still allows light to enter the house and maintain proper ventilation for the space. Breeze blocks were the first that came to mind. They were actually lightweight concrete blocks that allow privacy and ventilation. This custom-designed feature wall at the foyer truly adds to the visual interests. In Japan, houses often have a genkan entryway, which marks the boundary between a Japanese home and the outside home, and for removing footwear before entering the house. This concept was applied into the house where the foyer is cladded with terrazzo-looking tiles. The terrazzo tiles between the foyer and main living area are separated by an arch with stainless steel trimming. A full-height shoe cabinet was also designed to help not only to store their footwear, but also to hide the DB box to achieve a clutter-free aesthetic. Behind the breeze blocks is the living and dining area. The dining area was designed to feel intimate yet elegant. A minimalist wooden dining set could be set up in the area. Above it, a small pendant light serves as the centerpiece. As we enter the kitchen, we are invited with a black frame fluted glass PD door. One of the main requirements for small spaces is to expand the space itself. As such, we propose to hack the wall between the kitchen and the service yard. The bifold doors and the louver windows were all removed. The owner hardly cooks, so the kitchen was designed with clean and simple elements like compact plus tabletop and crystal glass backsplash. Not forgetting, it can be hot in the kitchen when you cook, so there was a corner fan added. The marble-like compact plus tabletop complements with the bottom dark wooden laminate carpentry and upper white laminate carpentry to give a contrast and warm atmosphere. One of the other requirements was to maximize storage in the kitchen. So you can see that I've designed the opposite side of the kitchen with large drawers. The common bathroom was designed with simplicity and practicality in mind. We used neutral tone tiles to create a clean and bright environment, complemented by a floating vanity with ample storage. A circular frameless mirror adds a touch of modern elegance, while warm lighting ensures the space feels inviting and comfortable for daily use. For the master bedroom, our focus was on creating a tranquil and simplicity feel. Full-height wardrobe with dark wooden laminate is built for bigger storage. The wall between the master bedroom and the common bedroom was hacked and pushed back in order to house a larger wardrobe. In the master bathroom, the combination of terrazzo tiles and white tiles create the Scandinavian feel with a recessed shower niche to allow storage for shower items and a rain shower. I designed a half wall with black frame fixed panel as a separation between the shower area and the sink area. We incorporated a sleek wall-mounted basin cabinet with light wood vanity storage and marble-like laminate top elements We installed an elevated mirror with storage behind it for functionality and ambience. Thank you all for joining me on this design journey. I hope you have taken a glimpse at how thoughtful design can truly transform a home. If you like what you have seen, do remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any feedback, do remember to drop your comments in the comment section down below. If you want to check out more of our works at WT Plus Interiors, do check out our Instagram, Facebook and TikTok social media handles. And that's all for today. I see you guys the next time. Bye!